device correctly. With patient inside lying position, I should position with upper legs flexed if in a dorsal recumbent, and I should expose only anal area. Keep patient's upper body and lower extremities covered with sheet or blanket. So the patient is inside lying position, and after that, I should apply clean gloves, clean anal region, and when feces and or secretions are present, remove soiled gloves, perform hand hygiene, and reapply clean gloves. And after performing hand hygiene and reapplying gloves, I should remove thermometer pack from charging unit and attach rectal thermometer probe stem or the red tip into thermometer unit. Grasp top of probe stem, and I should not apply pressure on ejection button. After that, I should also slide disposable plastic probe cover over thermometer probe stem until thermometer locked in place. And now, using a single-use package, squeeze a liberal amount of lubricant on tissue and dip probe cover of thermometer blunt end into lubricant covering 2.5 or 3.5 centimeters or 1 to 1/2 inches for adult. With non-dominant hand, I should separate patient buttocks to expose anus and ask the patient to breathe slowly and relax. Sir, okay lang ba nga umangos kayo nga na ulig? Can and relax tayo lang, sir? Okay, sir. Tumango kayo ulit again, sir. And after that, I should insert the thermometer into anus in direction of umbilicus 3 to 5 centimeters or 1/2 inches. And for adult, and of course, I should not force the thermometer. And now, after that, I should hold thermometer probe in place until audible signal is heard and for the completion of patient's temperature appears on digital display. And after that, I should remove thermometer probe and note the temperature. Okay na, sir. Katekon ang umangos na ulit, can relax. After noting the temperature, I should push ejection button on thermostem to discard plastic probe cover into appropriate receptacle, and the probe stem with antiseptic swab, allow probe stem to dry, and return probe stem to recording unit. And after that, I should clean patient's anal area and discard tissue. And of course, I should perform perineal hygiene to the patient as needed, and I should also replace the bed, gown, and linen. Sir, talusak lang ay ito'y ati ubet mo, sir, mabilit lain, sir. Okay na, sir. After cleaning the patient's perineal area, I should remove and dispose of gloves in appropriate receptacle, and again, I should perform hand hygiene. Thank you, sir. Mabalin kayo bumangon, sir.